Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about what you need to know about the new Apple product, which is iPhone 12, which was launched on October 13, 2020 alongside with the new iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro. Now let's talk about the literal information you need to know about this iPhone 12. This iPhone 12 is a dual SIM mobile in which you can use both nano SIM and eSIM card, and the smartphone runs on iPhone 12 and has a various different inbuilt storage from 64 gig, 128 gig to 256 gig and 512 gig storage, so that you can store all your local files, songs, videos, pictures, documents and more without any space constraint. The smartphone features an immersive 6.10-inch touchscreen display that has a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels at a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch. The dimension of the smartphone at the height is 146.70 mm, the width is 71.50 mm, and the thickness is 7.40 mm. And it weighs around 164 grams. Now, speaking about the camera specification, the iPhone 12 rear camera is 12 MP inch and the front is 12 MP, and this phone supports 5G connectivity for faster download and upload, which is the fastest technology available. Further, the iPhone 12 features an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. It comes in 4 colors: black, green, red, blue and white. And now let's get to the second chapter, which is design. To the design, Apple introduced a new flat edge design for the iPhone 12 and 12 mini, which is a departure from the rounded edges that have been used since the iPhone 6, and the iPhone 12 model looks similar to the iPad Pro models, and the flat edges also harken back to the iPhone 4 and 5. And the all glass front and glass back panel ahead, together with an aluminum frame which features a matte design and is slightly different in appearance from the stainless steel band used for the Pro models. At the front of the iPhone 12 model, there is a notch at the front to house the true depth camera, speaker, microphone, and there is a slim bezel all around the edges of the iPhone 12. And at the back of the iPhone, there is a square-shaped camera bump that with a dual lens camera and flash. Below that, there is an Apple logo that matches the color of the device. And again, with the assumption of size and battery life, there is no differences between the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 mini. The phones are identical in functionality with the same feature sets and design. Now, let's get to the display chapter. To the display of the smartphone. For the first time, Apple has introduced OLED display across the iPhone lineup, and all of the iPhone 12 model feature a Super Retina SDR display, and the new iPhone 12 feature a 6.1-inch display size with a notch at the top of the display, and it seems to be the same size notch that we have seen on recent iPhone products, and it also featured the same 2532 by 1170 resolution as the iPhone 12 Pro with 460 pixels per inch, and the smaller iPhone 12 mini has a 2340 by 1080 resolution at 476 pixels per inch. Now let's get to the chipset of this smartphone. Now to the chipset. This smartphone uses A14 Bionic Chip, which is used across the iPhone 12 lineup in the first A-series chip built on a smaller 5nm process, which brings speed and efficiency improvements. And the A14 features 40% more transistors than the A13 for battery life and faster performance. According to Apple, the 6-core CPU and 4-core GPU in the A14 Bionic chip is 50% faster than any other top smartphone chipset on the market in 2020. Now to the camera specification. Speaking about the camera comes with a dual rear camera and there is a 12 MP wide camera with an f/1.6 aperture and 12 MP ultrawide shooter with a f/2.4 aperture and 120-degree field of view. For the battery life, the battery is not removable and Apple claims it will last for 16 hours of video playback. Now let's talk about the unique feature of this Apple product iPhone 12, which is 5G connectivity. Apple iPhone 12 models are the first iPhone to support 5G network and are compatible with both Wave and sub-6 GHz 5G, which are two types of 5G. And all of the iPhone models in this lineup to support 5G connectivity for faster download and upload, better quality video streaming, improved gaming, and high definition 1080p FaceTime calls. 5G coverage is available worldwide, but only iPhone 12 devices sold in the United States support Wave 5G, which is the fastest 5G technology available. Let's talk about the Magsafe. The iPhone 12 model have a built-in magnetic crank that is designed to work with a Magsafe charger and other magnetic accessories. The Magsafe charger snaps right onto the back of the iPhone 12 and charges at 15 watts up from the maximum 7.5 watts wireless charging available with Qi based charger. Other magnetic accessories are compatible with the magnetic ring, including cases, snap-on wallet, and more, with third-party companies also to make accessories for the iPhone 12 lineup. Now to the new features about iPhone, which is no power adapter. The iPhone 12 and 12 mini do not come with a power adapter or AirPod in the box, as Apple eliminated them to lower its environmental impact, and the new iPhone ships in a smaller and similar box and comes with just a standard USB-C to Lightning cable. So the price. The prices are varies on storage. Maybe you are buying the 64 gig storage, 128 gig storage, 256 storage, or 512 storage. These are the prices listed on my screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.